Start. Legal Services Day is observed across India every year on 9th November to raise awareness among people about the availability of free legal aid. The primary aim of this day is to provide legal assistance to the weaker sections of the society and ensure that no citizen is deprived of justice due to poverty or lack of resources. The day also marks the enactment of the Legal Services Authority Act 1987, which came into force on 9th November 1995. The National Legal Services Authority (NALSA) plays a crucial role in coordinating legal services across the country. State and district legal services authorities also work at local levels to implement legal aid programs. They organize legal literacy camps, workshops, and seminars to educate people about their rights and the availability of free legal assistance. Free legal services also provided to marginalized groups including scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, women, children, people with disability, victims of trafficking, and those in custody. Legal aid involves offering advice, drafting legal documents, and representing individuals in court. The aim is to bridge the gap between people and the justice system, making legal remedies accessible to all. Legal Services Day encourages people to seek justice without fear of financial burden. Various awareness campaigns are conducted in schools, colleges, and rural areas to promote legal literacy. Lawyers, judges, and volunteers come forward to guide people to understanding their rights and legal procedures. Lok Adalats are also organized to resolve disputes through mediation, reducing the burden on courts and providing speedy justice. The observance of Legal Services Day highlights the importance of equality and justice in a democratic society. It remains us of our collective responsibility to uphold the constitutional promise of justice for all. By empowering people with legal knowledge and support, we move closer to creating an inclusive and fair legal system. In conclusion, Legal Services Day serves as a reminder of the ongoing efforts to make justice accessible to every citizen, regardless of their social and economic status. It reinforces the belief that justice should not be a privilege but a fundamental right available to all. Stop.